Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna make this video today because everyone's asking me, Tyler, what the happened to your Camaro? Where's your Camaro at? Why don't you drive your Camaro anymore? People think I got rid of the car because I can't afford it. That's not even true. You know, got a lot of haters. Of course, that's always gonna come when you become successful. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this video strictly on what the hell happened to my Camaro and why I'm not driving it right now. So I had some friends over from Chicago and we decided that we're gonna go out late at night and we're gonna go get something to eat. So while I had my friends over from Chicago, and we grew up together, we all know each other, we lived like literally 5 miles away from each other when we grew up. And when we went out to eat, I thought it'd be cool to do like what is it called, drifting? So I'm actually at the scene where I tried drifting my car, and I'm gonna show you guys how the hell I crashed it and what I crashed it into that caused this amount of damage. So let's go ahead and start it from like right here. So this is the street that I was driving on. I don't know what this, it's called Virgil. I was driving right here. We pulled up right here and I was like, watch this, guys. You know, I got a 455 horsepower car. We're gonna burn out like this, but this guy didn't, whoa, boy, crazy. This guy didn't crash though. But I slammed my foot on the gas. This came back around. I made it right over here. Keep in mind, I'm going like 25 miles per hour. Everyone's like, oh shit, oh my gosh. And guess what? Boom. See this tree? This tree has cost me $15,000 just to repair. I mean, you can't really see my marks, but my car came out this way and then crashed right into this tree. I mean, they fixed everything and whatnot, but you can kind of see like it's messed up on the side from my car and stuff. Luckily, I didn't go through the building. That would have been really bad, guys. This video, I'm going to show you guys what it was like inside of the Camaro and how I crashed it.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit!